How to make TikTok videos longer. To get started, first of all, you need to open the App Store on your phone. Then, you need to go to TikTok and make sure that you have the updated version of TikTok. Then, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok where you can view the reels that are shared here on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the plus icon from the bottom panel. It will take you to this camera page. You can set the timer of your TikTok video. Select the option 10 minutes from here. Then, tap on Gallery at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this media page, you have to select a long video but not longer than 10 minutes. Select multiple videos and hit the next button at the bottom. Then, select the screen icon from the side panel. After that, you can see a preview of the video and check the duration of it. Then, hit the next button. Once you're here, tap on Post from the bottom. And after you're done, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and check the progress of your upload. Once it has been uploaded, you can now enjoy a long video on TikTok. So, by following these steps, you can easily make TikTok videos longer.